Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be decorating for Thanksgiving and I just can't believe that it's time already. I feel like I just did this and I say that every video, but it just gets quicker and quicker. And last night was Halloween. It was on a Friday night this year and it was so much fun. I actually got a few treats and walked on the streets for a little bit, and it was just really fun because our neighborhood really gets into it every year and a lot of houses decorate and go all out, but Jack is not really a huge fan. Are you, bud? We handed out so much candy. I had 2 baskets of candy and right now I'm down to 1, so I gotta hand the rest of these out because I don't need all this candy. But anyways, it was so much fun and I am really excited about Thanksgiving because I love good food, I love spending time with family, and I love cold weather. So I'm not gonna ramble too much, but I am just going to take you guys with me to do probably like a light cleaning-ish video, although I'm sure there's a lot of dusting that needs to be done because a lot of things haven't been dusted since I put my Halloween decorations out. I'll just be like vacuuming and probably straightening up my kitchen, putting out all my cute little Thanksgiving decorations, and I have a lot of new ones this year, so I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and get started.